In this tutorial we'll cover exporting and importing data into the PT200 store management and EPOS solution. If we go to the admin menu from the main menu, you'll see there's an export and import button. If we select that, this brings up the data transfer screen. From here you can decide whether to export or import data. So in the first instance we're going to export some data. You then select the delimiter or the separator between the fields that the file is going to be created in. So if you want to select a comma or a semicolon or a colon separation, so in our case we're going to select a comma, and this is often determined by the application, external application to which you're going to use the exported text file. So then we're going to select a data set, and you can select from the list of data tables or the transaction data tables. So you can send all the transaction details or the transaction items or the transaction payments. But in our case we're going to send the users table. We're going to export the users table. So if we select the users table, we then click the select button, and this will show a dialog to allow you to enter the name of the text file. So in our case we're going to say users export, and you can select the location on your machine where you wish your export. We're going to leave it at the C drive for now. So if we select save, and that then gives you a message to say the file has been saved. So if we browse to the C drive, what you should find is on PT200, on the C drive, you would find the users export file we've just created. If you double click this and open it, you'll find that the users table has been exported. So each line is one line in the data table, and all the fields are separated by a comma. We've only got one user in the application at the moment, as it's a default installation, so that's the exported text file. Now if we want to import a data table or a data file, we can select import. Once again select the separator or delimiter that is being used for that file. In this case it's a comma, I happen to know. You then select the data set, so we're going to import some products. You click select, and once again you're shown the dialog to select a location and the file to which you wish to upload. Now you can upload or import two different types of file: text files or CSV files. In our case it's a CSV file that's been created. So if we click the product sample CSV file, you'll see that the file name has been loaded into the select file field. We've also now got an upload button. If we select upload, this will ask us if we're sure. It will then give us a warning message saying that we will overwrite the current data table with the imported data. So are we sure? Yes, we are. And then it will give us a message to say the import has been completed successfully. So if we now go back, we should find that the products have been imported, and there they are. So that's importing and exporting data files to and from the PT200 store management and EPOS solution.